What's up everybody, my name is Bandages and welcome to another Green Hill video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make bandages. Now this is really kind of simple, but you do need to look around a bit. So I've already found this plant, but you're going to need to find the malaria plant. It looks like this. Okay, it has these nice yellow flowers and you're just going to cut that down. So once you have the malaria leaves in your inventory, you want to drag them into the crafting table, craft that, and that's basically it. It's as simple as that, guys. There's nothing really to it. The only hard part about this is that you really do have to find the malaria plant. Sometimes it takes 5 seconds, sometimes it takes 20 minutes. So it's really just about luck and if you know where to look for the plant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you subscribed, I love you. If you're not subscribed and you want me to love you, subscribe. Thank you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.